Hello, hello. Welcome back to Upskilling After 40. My name is Sheila, and today I will show you how to create graphs and charts for your reports using Excel and ChatGPT para alam natin pareho. And in case na you have to do it manually, kayang-kaya mo nang gawin, di ba? Hindi lang tayo magre-rely kay ChatGPT. So, ayun, if you're a working professional na hindi techie, pero kailangan gumawa ng reports, and if you want to impress your boss, gandahan mo yung report mo, ganon. This is perfect for you. We'll make this practical and super easy na you'd be able to do it on your own right away. So, ready ka na ba? Yalla, let's go. So, ayun. First, let's organize our data muna. So, ito yung mga numbers, yung mga kailangan mong gawa ng chart. For example, meron kang sales, yung quantity ng sales mo from January to March, at saka nandito sa left side yung mga products mo. So, kung gagawin mo ng manually yung chart, what you can do is to highlight all of these, click insert sa top, and then pwede ka nang magpatulong kay Excel kung ano yung recommended chart niya. So, sabi niya, pwedeng ganito, mga bar chart, or ganito, clustered, yan, stack chart, ito, clustered column, ito yung bar chart, ganyan. So, para mas madali sa atin, gawin natin ito, yung clustered column. Yeah? So, ayan. Ang bilis, 'di ba? And if you want to even, halimbawa, i-edit mo to, if you want to edit this and remove, for example, yung March, all you have to do is go back to your data and just highlight yung kung ano yung gusto mong lumabas. Alright? So, let's keep it till March. And pwede mo siyang i-edit. For example, yung chart title, you can just click on it and put sales, Q1 sales. And you can also edit yung format ng graph like this. So, punta ka sa chart design, quick layout, tapos marami kang options dyan. Ayan, layout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just play with it, honestly. Pwede mo rin siyang i-change ng colors if you hindi mo feel mga yung colors niya. Ayan. Halimbawa, palitan natin ng puro blue. Bet mo ng puro blue. Or you can even click on this and change the chart style. Ayan. 'Di ba? Ang daming options eh. So, magiging super impressive na yun. Depende sa, magiging super impressive na yung presentation mo kapag you know, maraming ganap dito. Pwede mong gawin. Tapos, pwede ka rin maglagay ng elements sa chart. For example, if you want to put figures on top of these, at saka pag wala dito, you can also, ayan, click mo tong data labels. Pwedeng wala. Pwedeng lagay mo sa center. You see, andun na yung mga numbers sa center. Pwede mo rin, ako gusto ko tong nasa labas eh, yung outside end. And if I do that, I would usually remove eto mga numbers nasa kasi it doesn't make sense na paulit-ulit. All right? And if you also want to put all the data at the bottom of your chart, you can also do that by clicking the data table here with legend keys and or pwede rin without legend keys. Honestly, for aesthetic na lang to eh. Pero ayan. So it's super easy. And if you want a different chart naman, if you've already done it and you've changed your mind, you can um, you can quickly change it. Here, hold on a sec. Where is it? So for ayan o, if you want to change it to a bar chart, do this. Like click on the stack chart here on top, and then you have plenty of options that you can choose from. So we'll go back to the stack chart. Ayan, pwede mo rin siyang gawing ganyan, line, o kaya itong mga, ano, ganyan, super complicated. Ayun, so at least alam na natin. And if you want naman help from ChatGPT, you can also check with ChatGPT. Ano ba yung, what would be, tanong na sa kanya, what would be the best chart to show sales, ba yan? Sales comparison from Jan to March. Tingnan natin. Kung halimbawa naman gusto mong ano, humingi ng kanyang opinion. So sabi niya, 'di ba, column chart, vertical bar chart, chu chu chu, each bar represents month sales, chu chu, line chart, clustered column, stacked column. Ayan. Binigyan ka rin niya ng idea. Another thing is, you can also paste the data that you have here on your Excel, copy, and then paste it here. And then ask ChatGPT to create a chart for you. Can you please create a chart for me using this data? Let's see kung anong ibibigay niya sa atin. Analyzing. So, hintay-hintay lang tayo. And alam niyo ba, while we're waiting, have you, ano, have you figured out yung kanyang deep research ni ChatGPT? It's awesome. Like, pag halimbawa may tinanong ka, mamaya i-try natin to on the side lang. Pag may tinanong ka, babalik siya ng question and then hindi siya yung usual sagot na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Mas deeper, kumbaga. Kaya nga, deep research. Anyway, so eto na. Pwede mo rin siyang, if ever may report ka, mabilisan, you can also do this. Hingin mo na lang si ChatGPT to do it for you. Pero, syempre, maganda rin na alam mo yung, at the back end. Kailangan alam mo rin kung paano gawin. So, kapag ka nandito naman sa ChatGPT, you can even download this here. Or, you can just ano, paste, ay hindi ko ma-paste. I-screenshot mo. Screenshot mo, girl, like this. You see? And then paste it here. There you go. I'm sorry. Ayan. And if we compare what we have done and what ChatGPT had done, ayan, mamili ka na lang. Anyway, kapag ka ginawa mo pagka kay ChatGPT mo siya ginawa, you can also instruct ChatGPT kung ano yung gusto mong maging output. If you want to put Q1 sales as the title of your chart, you can, and center it para nasa middle, you can also ask the bot to do it for you. If not, gawin mo manually. Honestly, for me, I would still prefer to do it manually kasi, like, instead of spending time instructing ChatGPT kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa chart ko, I'd rather spend that time doing it na lang on my own kasi I feel like it's easier. Ewan ko, baka ako lang yun. But if you don't know how to, if you're not super familiar pa with this sa Excel, paggawa ng chart, and if you're more familiar or more comfortable using ChatGPT, then so be it. May freedom naman tayong gawin ang gusto natin. Pero, kapag pagka tinanong ka lang, how did you do it? Pwede mo rin, syempre, obviously, um, kailangan mo ring sabihin na humingi ka ng tulong sa AI. And, ayun, pero, alam mo yun, mas okay pa rin na alam natin kung paano siya ginawa manually.
Oh, ang
Ayun.
dali lang, 'di ba? So, the next time na kailangan mong gumawa ng report, alam mo na kung paano. So, ayun, gawa ka ng charts, Excel lang, o kaya with a little help from ChatGPT. Ayun, impressive na. Ayun, kung nakatulong to, please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything that you'd like us to do together, let me know sa comments. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pag-upskill ha. Until next time, bye!